Today, I'll walk you through how to create and send email campaigns on Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your email campaign so you can effectively reach your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp updates its interface regularly, but the core functionalities remain the same. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Continue with Google if you prefer that login method. This can save you time and streamline your access to your campaigns. Now that you're in, locate the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where all your email campaigns will be managed. Click on it to proceed. This is your command center for email marketing. Next, you'll want to create a new campaign. Click on the Create button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the campaign's page. This action will initiate the campaign creation process, allowing you to choose the type of campaign you'd like to send. For our email campaign, select Fully Designed Template. This option provides you with a variety of visually appealing templates that you can customize to fit your brand. From the templates available, choose the design that resonates with your message and audience. Once you've made your selection, click on Apply to use that template for your campaign. Now it's time to customize your email. Take a moment to add your content, images, and any other elements that will make your email engaging. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Save and Exit. This ensures that your work is not lost and allows you to return to it later if needed. Finally, when you're ready to send your email campaign, click on the Send button. A confirmation window will pop up, prompting you to confirm your action. Click on Send Now to finalize your campaign. For this tutorial, we won't actually send emails, but this step is crucial for your campaign to reach your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully created and prepared to send an email campaign on Mailchimp. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and content styles. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.